So continuing on shortening the backswing, and again I'd like to have more wrist set right here and end the backswing right about there, and have more wrist set right about there. But again, I'm continuing more than I'd like to right now. I'm just trying to make it a little bit more compact so I can, make things easier on myself with this other stuff. Another continuing problem I have is I'm coming too steep into the ball, and I feel like I'm also like losing space, the club head to the ball. I'm losing space, and as you can see, I'm coming down and striking like a divot with my driver. And so I've got this action here where on my chopping wood, I'm just kind of spinning out of it. And I've got to figure out how to create more space coming into the ball and getting less steep. So that's where I'm going to be working on with the shadow swinging. Maybe come in more laterally rather than spinning out right away like I am here. Make more of a lateral move into the ball and then move my hips into the ball when the clubs, my hands are a little bit lower. Like start it right in here. But I'm just spinning out shoulders and hips sort of synchronized together at the top. I'm coming in too steep. So yeah, that's pretty much, I continue working on these things. Okay, so I got a 43 and so drives, I got 2 penalties here I'm giving myself for the lost ball. And then this was a short drive, so add 1 there. And yeah, another drive there, that's 4. Another penalty there. Okay, then chipping and pitching. Okay, let's start from the first hole here. Yeah, no. Okay, here's a pitch. And it went over to the green, so should have got on the green, so I'm counting that as a penalty. Here's a chip off the green, there's another one. Here's a sand shot, so I'm going to put CPS or chips, sand pitch. Sand bunker shot went in the trap. And then I didn't get out, so 1 there. And then the last hole, it was a chip and it went over the green, so I didn't get on. So there's 4 there. Putting. Yeah, 1 putt there, 2 putt, 2 putt, 2 putt, okay. This one was a 2 putt, but it was from a short distance. So I'm counting a bad one on the putt there. Yeah. Alright, so 11th round. 43. Drive. let's see, 4 bad drives. Mainly, the first hole, I'm going to put a lost ball. That was just a mishit lost ball. And that was for one of them. And then chip, pitch, sand shots, 4, and then putting 1.